How to make an online planner. Why online planners are useful. Online planners are free and you don't have to get a new one every year. You can customize it however you like and choose your favorite colors. It can help you set goals, keep you organized, and you can even use it to track your grades. You can follow along on your own computer as I teach you how to make your very own planner. So we're going to be using Google Sheets. So the first thing is to open a new Google Sheets, and then I titled mine as Planner, but feel free to type in whatever you want. Instead of making ours from scratch, we're going to use templates that already exist to make it much easier. So we're going to go back to Google Drive, open a new Sheets, but this time we're going to open a template. And the first one I chose to put into the planner is an assignment tracker. So then you take the template, you can choose however many lines you want, and you will simply copy and paste into your own planner. To fix the formatting here, you can drag the line over to make the full word assignment fit, and then you can go through and customize it. So I just put in that I have math problems due, as well as geography, physics, and biology. But this is where you would put in all your assignments and when they're due. The next step, I wanted to add a to-do list. So you go back to the same thing you were doing before, and you will open a template again. So you open the to-do list, and then you'll do the same process as before. So you will copy as many rows as you want, and then you will paste it into your own planner. And same, fixing the formatting so that it fits in the column. The next step I did was I went through and deleted all of that information so I could go ahead and put in my own. Keep in mind that you can add as many customizations as you want here, so if you don't like the color green, you can go ahead and change it and do really whatever you like. I also wanted to add in a daily schedule just to make sure I knew where I had to be. So same process again is go back to the template, and then you will click on the schedule. And then once again, copy and paste into your own planner. And then I just started adding in some things that might be in your schedule. In the template sheets, as I'm sure some of you saw, there are numerous amounts of templates that you can use. So if you don't want to choose these 3, you don't have to. There are gradebook options, there are financial options if you want to add a budget to your planner. So there really are numerous amounts of options that you have. So have fun making your own planner.